Chicago Fire Season 10 is finally here, and it's going to be the definition of intense. EP Derek Haas teased the harrowing fallout of the Severide and Cruz situation, a life-altering 200th episode, and more. Chicago Fire ended last season with the ultimate cliffhanger. Severide and Cruz were left trapped underwater, and their lives were in jeopardy. When Season 10 picks up on September 22, Chicago Fire will reveal their fates. HollywoodLife got exclusive scoop from showrunner Derek Haas about what to expect regarding Severide and Cruz. "You'll have to wait and see, but it's going to be harrowing, I'll promise you that," Derek teased. The Season 9 finale featured Casey and Brett finally facing their feelings for each other. Season 10 will start a whole new chapter for the couple, one that won't always be a walk in the park. "It's Chicago Fire, so it is never easy," Derek said. "They are going to have some challenges coming very soon in Season 10. When it comes to whether or not being together will impact their work life," Derek stressed, "that's always a concern, but when the bells go off, they are complete professionals. They put everything aside to focus on the victims and save lives." Severide and Stella are now engaged, and Stella also passed her lieutenant's exam. Could a job change be in her future? "Kit is going to have a lot going on in the early part of the season," he said. "Girls on Fire is going to have a big impact on her life soon." Cruz is expecting a baby. Many fans have been wondering if he'll somehow honor Rodas with his baby's name. "I'd say wait and see," Derek teased. The show will be celebrating its 200th episode in Season 10. Derek revealed that he has big plans for the Chicago Fire characters. "Huge, life-altering events happen in the 200th episode. We're shooting it now, and it is going to be rough to film," Derek told HollywoodLife. Chicago Fire airs Wednesdays at 9 p.m. on NBC.